kawadhi nyime en ni kembe maloso mwandu mopogore opogore ogol negi chik maketo kenge makare mag rito alwora. Magi owachi gi jatend migawo mar alwora Aden Duale. Maro ni obiro neno ni oluw chike mar puko taka kayo kedo gi taka ma ipuko e aora ma Nairobi. Nowacho magi romo mano kelo kanyakla jokanyo sekta mar arita mar alwora, kama nonyisi oganda jo Kenya en ting' mar ji duto maneno ni alwora orit makare. Kabende koro dwaro mondo mi jogo mating'o taka oti kod nyamburko ma iumo wigi mondo kik chid alwora e kinde ma gichokogi. Duol mar NEMA osegolo chenro ma keto taka e kidienje mopogore opogore kaka yo maneno ni opukgi e yo makare.
Because without the regulation, and at the time, manufacturers through the Kenya Association.
If you are a garbage collector for the Nairobi City Council, you must tell us, number one, where you collect from, and we track you all the way to where you're going to dump. All the garbage they collect, they dump in on Nairobi River. You have marked how many places? Nearly the whole entire river is a dam site.
The EPR, the Extended Producer Responsibility, more than ever before is going to be one of our key things that the CS is going to deliver. We have had the law in place, the Solid Waste Management Act of 2022, but the problem has been, as you added from the people and the producers themselves, that they don't have the regulations. Even for NEMA, they've been impeded. I want to assure you that, as he has mentioned, we will have this APR regulation gazetted, hopefully by Friday this week. And therefore, then, it will be now left to our regulator or our enforcer, NEMA, to deliver on his mandate.
We are working very closely with the riparian community to ensure that once the issue of sewerage system is addressed, because informal settlement do not have a sewer system. Once the sewerage system is addressed, then I am sure the issues of informal dumping sites, or rather informal dumping, will be addressed.